dear, sweet delectable you. Here, you got me tingling like where.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making these super fluffy pancakes. I'm just taking this large bowl. I'm adding in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then a pinch of salt. Once you have that, you're just gonna whisk that all together. Then you're gonna make a little well in the middle. And into that well, we're going to be pouring 1 cup of buttermilk, but you can use any milk you have. I just love buttermilk pancakes. And then you're going to crack in 1 large egg, and put in about a teaspoon of vanilla and about a half a tablespoon of maple syrup. You'll also want to add 2 tablespoons of either melted butter or oil. I used coconut oil because that's what I had. And then you want to whisk the inside part first just to break up that egg, and then you're gonna mix in all that flour mixture. Now, because I used buttermilk, I actually needed about another 1/4 cup of buttermilk, but if you are using almond milk or 2% milk, 1 cup should be fine, and it'll get you to this really nice consistency for your pancakes. So this is how it turned out, and now we are going over to the stove, and I'm just gonna turn it up to a high temperature and let it get nice and hot. Because we are making pancakes, I am going to use a butter flavored nonstick spray, but if you don't have a butter flavored nonstick spray, any nonstick spray is fine. And you don't have to have a skillet like I do here in the middle, or griddle, whatever this is called. This just came with my oven. I love it. You can also use a, non-stick frying pan or non-stick something. It's fine. This is what I had though. So I made them 2 at a time, and my skillet is like really thick, so it takes forever to heat up. I should have heated this up while I was making the batter, but I didn't. So you see me playing with the heat. I would say cook them about medium to medium high heat. Just make sure that you get it to that temperature first before you pour the pancake batter on, or they won't be as fluffy, but they still taste good. So you just wait for them to get little bubbles at the top, and then you just flip them over. When I flip them over, I add a little bit of butter with the back of my butter knife. I just scoop a little bit and just spread it on there, and I set them aside into a plate. But I speeded up this video so you guys could see. They are really fluffy, they get really thick, and they cooked really fast. And they were honestly really good. So yeah, you just wait for the bubbles, you flip them over, and then once you flip them over, add a little butter and set them aside. I made a total of 5, like the size of my hand, so they were a little big. But you can, if you make them a little smaller, you can make a lot. I made a total of 5, like 5 to 6 inches in diameter were the pancakes. You can also make them into shapes. I've made them into shapes for kids, like little heart shapes, or we make Mickey Mouse pancakes all the time for my niece. So just have fun. And now you just see me drizzling some maple syrup on a stack of 3 pancakes. But you can top this with whatever you want. Some people like to eat it with fruit or with nut butter. Some people eat it with jelly, like jam. That's really good too. If you're looking for something a little healthier, try checking out my healthy brownies video. It's gonna pop up. But I hope you guys really try this out. It was really good. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications on.